Hello dear friend, this is Rakesh here. Once again you are welcome to Resolve for You. In today's tutorial about Kdenlive, we will learn how to add text box in Kdenlive and animate the text. These features are available in DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, this industry level software. Actually in this advanced video editing software Kdenlive 2, this feature is available. People complain that there is no lower third in Kdenlive, very lower third text box. These are here. Actually we will use this property and I will teach you today how we can use this text box. Please follow the class till the end, then you will understand. Don't skip any step because these are very essential step and you have to remember all the process very carefully. Then once, two times, three times you will practice, you will learn how we can take various type of text titles we can use in Kdenlive. We can make it myself. In today's class we will try this and we will make without wasting time. Let's jump into Resolve for You. Hello dear friend, once again you are welcome to Resolve for You. This is Rakesh here. In the last class about Kdenlive tutorial, we learned about middle lower third, which we use in DaVinci Resolve industry level software or Premiere Pro. In the Kdenlive, you can do such type of fancy middle lower thirds. You can make swipe text box. You can make. Actually, people don't know and complain on YouTube that there are no lower thirds in Kdenlive, but they are actually in our color clip and title clip. We will use this property. And if you haven't followed my last class, please go how we have made such type of swipe text box. You once I open, you see here DaVinci Resolve here. You see such type of text, this fancy text, this middle lower third we have made in Kdenlive in the last tutorial. Please go and see how can you can make such type of lower third. And in this tutorial we will make this box. You see text box. Actually we can't make, but first we will make this simple box, then we will make such type of cropping effect. Actually you can make. Today we will make simply box effect. Text will be in the inside the box and we will animate that text and box together. So let's go to our Kdenlive video editing software here. We have Kdenlive here. You see, now we want to start making text box. For this we have to come here. If you know our last class, we come here and add a title clip from here. Control+T is a shortcut, and I can write here like anywhere. For example, my daughter Devika in the playground with children. Here you see here Devika and my son David in Ukraine, they are playing. And once you have written Devika, and you can from here I can maximize 200. We can make bigger if 300 will be okay. This is perfect for us. We had made. You can actually change the color from here if you want. From last class here we can make this. We can add such type of we can add such type of text. You see our this is our text we have once created. You can change position from here. You can just drag here, drag. You see anywhere you can drag from it. I want to put here in this position our text. Once this is okay, and create title, we have to in Kdenlive it works very differently from other video editing software. It's a more logical. You have created and you will drag. It will be in project bin now. You see it is a composition effect here. This is project bin. Here we have written this text Devika, my daughter Devika, and here I will put here, and we can maximize from here. Drag. It's very easily anywhere you can put, and in Kdenlive it's a very easy to make. Now you see Devika has appeared actually here. Now I want to make a box actually around here. Devika will be inside the box. For that we have to come here, project, add a color clip. You have to search here, color clip is here. Now I want to change the color because we have this color, and we will take some other color here. I will take yellow. Okay, I will take yellow and I drag this color here every time. You see. Now our color is here. Here we will together we'll put here, and we can maximize from here. You see. Now our color clip is here. Now I have to put some position for that because I want to make box. Actually I have to come here, effect, and here you can add crop. You see crop, scale, and tilt. From this property we will take, drag, and put in the color clip here. Once you enter this in the color clip, once you have entered, you will find here. You see such type of our crop, left, right button. You can crop actually. I want to crop first off. I want to show you how you can crop. You see here. Okay, I have crop. No, we need to crop button. You see very properly you did. For tutorial purpose I am making fast, but you do very carefully, and once you have to practice, and it's very easy to make. You see I made this. In Kdenlive it's a good that you can make your own text, very unique, and which other persons haven't such type of text. It's a very advanced video editing software. I like too much. with DaVinci Resolve and Kdenlive. I always use these two software. And here you see I have no this lines I have drawn. Made such draw line. No, actually we can drag from here other color clip. We will come here to here to now project bin, and we will drag again this color clip, because we have to make box. We have to take 4 color clip here. Okay, now once it's okay, now I will come here. I will control plus C. You see control plus C, and control alt V is you can paste the effect. The effect I will take this effect, control plus C, and I want to paste this effect here, control alt V. Now I will do, now you see I have here two color clip actually in the same position, so you can't see, but you have to scale up. You see scale up, you will see there. Now we come here, tilt, you see, not tilt Y, you see. Now we have, you see, very, because we have copied this and we will put there. So we have to actually there is other method. You have to again crop left, right, top button. Otherwise you can paste copy the property and paste the property here, and you don't need to again make two clips. So you see I have two clips. In the same way we'll take another clip again. I will drag this clip and I will put here. You see, because we have to make box here, we will take here. And now this clip we have to take property, because this will be the other property, because it will be edges in the side. We will put it. So I will take here. So now I have to just crop here from left. Actually here left, crop right from here. You will, you see, and the left you have to adjust little bit, not too much. Okay, no, okay, it's okay. You see, now we have to crop this edges, right, top and button. We will take very easily. We'll crop here. Okay, it's a perfect. Top we have to adjust. You see, we have to adjust. Once you have to adjust, just okay. Now it's okay. You see, now what I will do? Control C, I will copy. Control Alt V, I will paste, because this is the edges, this, and 1, 2, 3, and I will take fourth color clip. I will come here, project bin here, and I will drag this fourth here, because we have to make the last edges, two edges. So I will come here. We have actually control C. We will control C, and here we will paste control alt V. No, actually we have two actually edges here. You see two edges, here we have pillars here. So one pillar we want to take here. I will use for that. You see XY position, XY. You see XY. You come here and you can drag from here. We'll just see control C. Here we will paste control alt V. We come here. We have to use tilt position here. You come here and you see here we have to put here. You see. Now remember, you have to, if you once don't make mistake, but once you see, now we have made actually the box. You see, we have actually in this way you can use tilt XY for making. Once copy the property here, and in this way you can make. Now we come here. I want to take Devika. I want to animate Devika for position. I want to use position here. I will come here and type position and zoom this effect. I will come, and this I will put to Devika here, inside Devika. Now I can start keyframing actually. For keyframing, I want to take this Devika here in this way. You see, in this way you can drag and put a Devika here. Okay. Now when our head will be here, I will use keyframe. You see here this diamond box. You have to click here. Red diamond edge appeared here. It means you can start keyframing. Now I will drag Devika from that position. You see, I am dragging. Now our Devika will be here. Now when our playhead will be here at this position, I will start again. I will add keyframing here. You see keyframing. Now I can use, it has appeared, selected position has. Now I will, from here you can select, or from here you can select. We will start keyframing here. Here it's a very convenient. From here in Kdenlive nowadays you can make keyframing from here. Accurately do. When our text box will be here, and I will start again. We will add keyframing here, animate, and we will text box will be our here. When our playhead will be here in the video at the end here, we will add keyframing again here, and now we will just drop here outside of the video, add keyframing, and just drag outside here. You see, you can do properly from here. Otherwise, you see our keyframing we are adding. It has disappeared now from text. So we have add here from for keyframing. You see from here you can check nowadays there is a curve editor, new feature, very advanced feature I have explained in the last class. You can go and see there, and how we can use there. We can use curve for more precise, but we don't use now. We just close, and when we have already, you see now we have animated the Devika here. See, listen till the end the class, dear friend. Subscribe if you know it's if you understand the class, if it's helpful for you, please subscribe. And you see we have animated Devika here. So, no, what I will do, I will animate this text also. This text will go with Devika. Devika will be inside the box. Now for that I will come here. You see Control plus C. This you can copy the property. Control Alt V. Remember this keyboard shortcut. Control Alt V. You can paste the property in all. So I want to paste this property to all. When we will add this property from Devika, this text will be animated together with Devika. For example, now Control plus C, I will paste here. Control Alt V. Now see here the properties appear. Control Alt V. See, here the position has properties has appeared, which we have copied the property. Control Alt V. And now on the fourth clip, we will in the same way Control Alt V. We have actually pasted the property of Devika, animated property positions. Now it will be the text box will go with Devika. Devika will be in the text box and it will be animated, and this will be a very beautiful text box. Now you see the real magic I saw, you know. See, dear friend, how we can make in Kdenlive the real this text box like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, the industry standard. You see how you can make your unique actually the text box, animated text box. You see Devika is inside the text box, and these are moving together using this color clip and title clip and the keyframing with the help of keyframing and pasting the property. In this way, try yourself, try, and then you will you can make various type of animated avatar. There are lots of possibilities inside Kdenlive. You can people just don't know and complain on YouTube that they don't. There are very few titles, text templates in Kdenlive. No, there are lots. You have to make this, and you can use this in the future. You can copy this time. Actually, in the next video, I will show how you can preserve this presets for your future clip, your future project. You can add such type of keyframing in your future. In the next class, please join the class. Hello dear friend, we have just finished the class. We made this text box and animated this in Kdenlive inside. Please try this class and use this property, and 1 2 3 4 times you will try, then it will be more easier for you and very easy. You can make various type of lower third inside Kdenlive, and you can make your clip more beautiful. Dear friend, don't forget to subscribe. Your one subscription give me a lots of motivation to make more video. Share, comment if you have any suggestions. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.